Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Today we'll see like how we can install Laravel in our Windows, okay? And it will be the what I can say guys, how you can install Laravel 10, 9, 8, 10, okay? And what are the requirements for that all I'm going to tell guys, and it will be for, suppose if you are beginners, then it is very useful guys. So watch this video full, then only you will get all the things, okay? So let's start guys. So for that, what you need to do, just go in Google and type here Laravel documents. You can type this, okay? So here you will get Laravel 11. Latest is Laravel 11 guys. So PHP framework, just click on this. Then here you can go in Laravel docs. Okay, so this is the installation process for Laravel. Okay, and you can see guys, this is there is a version also. There is an option to select a version, which version you want, that is 11, 10, 9. Okay, so select whatever version you want. So I'm going to select 11 only. And one more thing guys, see this 9, 10, 11, it will support guys PHP version 8. Okay, the 8 or 8.2, for that it will support. Suppose if you're using below that, like 7.2, 7.3 PHP version, then for that it will support Laravel 8 guys. Okay, and one more thing is, suppose if you have PHP version 7.2 or in 7 range only, then what will happen guys, if you try to install this 10, 11, 9, it will not install guys. It will tell you are not able to install these all things. Just install, it will automatically, it will install Laravel 8. Okay, suppose if you want these all things, then just replace your PHP version with higher, that is after 8, 9, 10, 11 will support. Okay, so this is the thing guys. So it is very important point. Okay, fine. So okay, I have selected 11 only. Then I will do, just go below here, just read the documents, everything, our installation steps, everything is there guys here. So meet Laravel's, why Laravel, everything you can read here. So here you can see guys, creating a Laravel project, what we needs, everything is there. So we'll check that also. If you want the documents, you can go and check guys here, everything. Okay, and here also there is a configuration, front end, started, class, deployment, everything is there. First, today what we will see, it is for beginners, right? So first we'll see the installation. Okay, so main thing is this, creating a Laravel project. Okay, so for creating that, what it needs, requirements, I can say. So before creating your first Laravel project, make sure that your local machine has PHP and Composer installed. Okay, these two things should be there. So PHP means what? XAMPP. Okay, so just go here, type here XAMPP, download for Windows. Okay, then download XAMPP. So this is for Windows, Linux, and OS. Okay, just see what you have, and according to that install. And guys, I will tell you, just go with this latest version, that is 8.2, because now we need to install 9, 10, 11 Laravel 19, right? So for that, this is good. So just go here, click on download. Okay, so it will start download, and if it is not started, just click on here. This you can do manual download also. So it will take to auto download, it will take some time, and you can see here symbol if it is downloading. You can see guys, it is downloading here. Okay, so you can see. So after downloading, what you need to do guys, okay, let's download this. Already I have this installed, so it will take some time to download. You can see guys, installation is done now. Just open this, and just, do you want to allow this to make changes to your device? Okay, just try to install guys. Just click on S. Next, what you do, just click on next, next, and follow all the process guys, because already I have. Just click on this next, already I have, so I will not install. Just click on next and try to install in C drive guys. I think here you will get the, see guys, C XAMPP, here only install guys XAMPP. Okay, so try to install in that only. And next, after installation, what you do, just click on done after installation. Okay, do you want to abort? Yes, I want to abort because already I have, so I'm aborting. Okay, so after installing, what will happen, guys? You can search here that XAMPP you will get. Okay, you can see XAMPP controller like this you will get. Just open this, and here already it is started, guys. You can see. Okay, so you can stop from here and you can start from here. Okay, and one more problem you will face, guys, while quitting this you will get one error. See, like this error you will get, right? Access is denied. Suppose if you're getting this error, so what you need to do, it will take some time, guys, to disconnect this. So we'll wait for that. Just close this. And okay, if you're facing that error, what you need to do, just go here in C drive, XAMPP. Here you see here, guys, XAMPP control. Okay, just click on here, and what you do, just run as administrator. Okay, make it yes. After that it will get start. Okay, now suppose if you try to quit this, just check, guys, you will not get that error. Okay, because we have started this XAMPP as administrator, so now you will not get that error. Okay, so like this you can solve that error as well. So after installation, you need to start your XAMPP. You can search here, you can run as administrator, or you can come here, you can run as administrator. Okay. Next, what we need to do, guys, next we'll check what is the requirement. So after this, you need to install the composer. Okay. So for that, what you need to do, just go here in composer, click on download, and here you can see, guys, composer setup.exe. Just click on this, it will get download here. Okay. So after download, just open it and just install recommended user, make it yes. I want for all. Then here you check the version, guys. It should be XAMPP, PHP, and PHP.exe. Okay, just click on next. So it is installing the XAMPP. Okay, so use internet. I will click directly next, install. Okay, so it is installing the downloading the composer. Okay, so it will install, guys. After installation, what we need to do, we need to check whether it is installed or not. Okay, finishing, it's finished. Okay, so done. Just know what you do, just open command and go here and come here. Here you check XAMPP htdocs. Okay, so here my file will come, so just copy this path, come here. Okay, now we are in XAMPP. So here I have to check the composer. Just type here composer and check whether it is installed or not. If it is not installed, it will give something, it will tell it is not installed. And if it is installed, it will give like this command, guys, this composer and all, means it is installed. Okay, so this is done, guys. Next, what you need to do, okay. Oh, okay, composer. And if you are developing an on Mac OS or Windows, PHP, Composer, Node, and npm can be installed. So Node is also needed, guys, for this. So for that, just go here, Node.js. Okay, download. Just click here, rebuild installer. From here you can download, guys. Here it is latest version. Okay, see, it is downloading. Okay, after downloading, just open that, preparing to install. Already I have, guys, Node, then also I'm showing you. You will see, guys, here. Then please wait while the setup wizard prepare to guide you through the installation, computing space requirement. Okay, so it is checking the space and all. So here what you need to do, you guys, just click on next, how I told for exam, like that, and install this also. After installation, the next process is what, guys, you need to run this composer. Okay, you need to create one project. So just copy this, go in command terminal, and here add this, guys. It is not copied. Okay, Then I will change the name here, Laravel underscore sample. Okay, like that name I'll use. So it is sample. So it will create our project, and that project we will see here, guys. Now you can see there is nothing, but here we will get Laravel sample after the installation. And we can see a version also. You can see, guys, the version is 11.1.5. So that version it is installed. So you can see, guys, now the installation is done. Okay, everything is done, guys. You can see here. And if you go here, no, here also you will get, you can see, guys, here there is an Laravel underscore sample. You can see here. Okay. So if you go, the next step is what, guys? Just go in that folder and just run PHP artisan. So we'll do a cd Laravel underscore sample, and here we'll write PHP artisan. Okay. Okay. So now you can see, guys, it is running on this server. Okay, this is the local server, guys, where it is running. So our XAMPP is started. Okay, so just run this, guys, it will work. So this it will work. If you want to stop here, you can control, you can make control C. Here it will get stopped, guys. So like this, what you can do, guys, like this you can install Laravel in your Windows. Okay, so what are the this is the process for all, guys. Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, whatever it is, for all you can use this process. Okay, so like this, what you can do, guys, you can install Laravel in your Windows. Okay, suppose if you have any question regarding this, then, guys, please comment in comment box, guys. I'll answer to that. So I hope, guys, you got. If you have any question, please comment in comment box, and if you're liking my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting it.